going? Good? Awesome, nice. Look at the excitement in the room right now. That's very good. So this is the first time I'm doing a stand-up gig, you know. And the reasons for doing this are very basic. In fact, the last time I went to Zulf's show, he charged me $10 for a ticket. So I'm like, dude, if I become a performer, I don't have to pay the $10. So here I am in front of you guys doing my set for 5 minutes. How many of you all moved to Canada like probably 2-3 years back? Like fairly recently, you know? Yeah, that's quite a few of you all, right? So you kind of miss home, right? You miss the stuff that used to happen back in India. I just miss one thing. And that's so common in India, you know, it's called pointless drama. In any kind of thing that we do back home, there is so much drama associated with it. And when you get to Canada, it becomes zero. Let me give you an example, okay? It starts really early. So when I was a kid and I would tank an exam, you know the stupid subjects we had like history and moral science? You don't use that at all. And I would always fail in those, right? And I would go back to my mom. And this is what my mom would say, okay? So I go back to her and say, Mom, I didn't perform well in the exams, so yeah, I didn't score well. And she would look at me and like, बेटा तू तो बड़ा intelligent है, पता नहीं तुझे किसकी नजर लग रही है? And in my head I'm thinking, भाई एग्जाम में 2 दिन पहले मैं सिर्फ क्रिकेट खेला बड़ी नजर क्या लग रही? So I used to feel bad. यार mom को कोई mislead कर रहा है. I used to feel bad. And I would look at her, नहीं mom, you're wrong. कोई नहीं, ये पक्का शर्मा आंटी पक्का शर्मा आंटी की नजर लगी हर दिन मैं एग्जाम जाता हूँ ना तो ऐसे ही देखती रहती खिड़की में बैठ के यार ये गंदा ही करेगा इतना जायका ही फैलाना है ये पक्का शर्मा आंटी so I do that for a fact and this is how we start, you know, we operate as desis at a different level altogether and then we grow up, okay? So how many of you all have driven a car in like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh or F1? Trust me guys, it is all the same. Trust me. Okay? You are overspeeding in an unsafe car at someone else's expense. It's all the same. And we've driven, right? So picture this. You're driving in India and you get stuck in traffic. What's the first thing that we do? We start honking, right? We start honking. I don't know why. We can see a lineup right up till the end of the stage, of the road. But we still keep on honking. But this is how we operate. So one guy will honk and be like, क्या यार मैं यहाँ फंस गया. Then someone else will honk and be like, shit यार मैं भी फंस गया. And then everyone starts honking. हम सब इस बसड़ में फंसे हैं. And that builds the sense of community that we have. You know? Like we are all one in this times of trouble. So that's how we operate. And then the next thing that we do, we'll blame the government, we'll blame the PM, we'll blame Bollywood, we'll blame Western culture. And sometimes you also blame Hardik Pandya. No reason. But we blame everybody. And the next thing, which is my favorite part, we roll down the windows. What do we say? Yeah, exactly, right? We want to keep it clean, but everyone here knows what we say. For us, while driving these abuses, they are like Harry Potter ka spells. You know, every time we hear the abuse, we feel that the car in front is going to magically levitate and disappear off somewhere. Right? So I was driving here on the 401 with this white guy, right? And so this is what he did. He drove up to the car in front, he stopped, and he goes like, oh jeez, not again. That's all he says. And I'm like, wait, are you going to roll down the windows? Don't you believe in magic? And I'm looking at him as if I'm like a crazy guy, you know? Don't you believe in magic? What a muggle, man. That's how they are. They don't operate at our level. It's insane. And then these people like us who are driving like F1 drivers back home, we grow up to start putting reviews on TripAdvisor and the Airbnbs of the world, you know. That's what we do. So, like in the last summer, me and my wife, we decided to go to New York, okay. So we're looking for Airbnb rentals on on the island of Manhattan. So we came across this amazing listing, okay. A solid 4.5 stars. That's what you're all looking for, right? So I look at the first review, and here's how we start. And this guy is desi, okay? Like for some reason in our heads, we're like, अगर किसी देसी बंदे ने रिव्यू दिया है ना तो सही होगा. Like he knows what we need. So we always go to desi reviews first. I don't know how that makes sense, but that's how we are. So we look at this review by a desi guy, okay? And this is how we start. It's a beautiful location, very beautiful. Like wow, अच्छी बात है यार. Amazing views. You can see the entire skyline of New York. Like wow. It is extremely convenient. 2 minutes walk to Central Park, 2 minutes walk to 42nd Avenue, 2 minute walk to One Trade Center, 2 minutes walk to Statue of Liberty, 2 minute walk to New Jersey, 2 minute walk to Paris. Like, it is that convenient that you can just like get out of your house and in 2 minutes you can reach anywhere in the world. Okay? That's the level of property we are looking at right now. So we are almost on the verge of booking it when all of a sudden we read the last line. This guy goes on to say, it is an amazing property, but TV का remote काम नहीं कर रहा था, so I'll give it a 1 star. Like, that's the level we operate at, guys. But that's who we are. We are Desis. We are proud to be Desis, and that's how we'll always be. So hope you guys enjoyed this day. Thank you so much. And have a good night, guys.
Yo, 5-star rating for this guy. That was really good. That's Desis. You know what Desis